Hello everybody, this is the Math Wiz channel over here. We are continuing today with solving the algebra math problems from the Larson textbook. We are continuing with lesson 1.2 today, and we're doing a review for mastery as well as challenge practice problems. So let's start. The first problem is evaluate the expression 20 minus 3 squared plus 7. We do the powers first, so this becomes 20 minus 9 plus 7. So let's write it down. So 20 minus 9 plus 7, or that is 20 minus 9 is 11, plus 7, that's 18. Next, number 2, there is multiplication, powers, division. We do powers first, so 5 times 2 to the third is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8, and then divide by 6. Multiplication and division is at the same level. We do operations left to right. 5 times 8 is 40, divide by 6. So that's what we get. So 1 was 18, and then 2 is 40 divided by 6. This can also be written as 40 over 6, and then we can, just like have a nice fraction, and then you can cancel out by 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. 40 divided by 2 is 20. 20 over 3, or how many wholes? We have 6 wholes and 2/3. Okay, 6 wholes and 2/3. Why 6 wholes? Because 6 times 3 is 18, plus 2 is 20, 20 over 3. Number 3, we're going to do multiplication first. 4 times 6 is 24, minus 21 divided by 3. We do division next, so 24 minus 21 divided by 3 is 7, because 7 times 3 is 21, so 24 minus 7 is what? 17. So that is number 3. Then let's do number 4. Number 4 is 3 times 14 minus 5. So we do the parentheses first. 14 minus 5, which is 14 minus 5 is 9. So 3 times 9 is 27. Number 5, 6 times 9 minus 1 to the 4th. So we're going to do the powers first. So 9 minus 1 to the 4th is 1. Then we do parentheses. 9 minus 1 is 8, and that is 48. All right. Next one is 6. We do parentheses. 7 plus 5, that is 12. Minus 8 plus 4 is 12, or that is 0. 7, we do powers. So 3 times 3 times 3, which is 3 times 3 is 9. 20 times 3 is 27. Minus 6 in parentheses, divided by 3. We do parentheses first. 27 minus 6 is 21. Divided by 3 is 7. So 7 is the solution for 7. Okay, and next is 8. We do powers first. 4 times 4 is 16. Then we do parentheses. So 2 plus 8 is 10. And this is 160. Number 9. 9 times, straight brackets, 15 divided. We do parentheses, 2 plus 3, which is 5. Then we do parentheses, straight brackets, 15 divided by 5 is 3. And 3 times 9 is 27. Okay, next is number 10. Evaluate the expression when W is 9. So this becomes 17 plus 3 times 9. We do multiplication first. So 17 plus 3 times 9 is 27. So this becomes 20, 30, 44. 11 is 9 squared minus 13. 9 times 9 is 81 minus 13. So 81 minus 13. 11 minus 3 is 8. 7 minus 1 is 6, so 68. Number 12 becomes 5 times 9 over 9 plus 6. 5 times 9 is 45. And 9 plus 6 is 15. And this is 3. 13 is 7 times 13 minus 9. We do parentheses first. 13 minus 9 is 4. 4 times 7 is 28. 14, 2 times 9 squared minus 15. Or we do powers first. So 2 times 9 is 81 minus 15. This is 162 minus 15. And that is what? Let's do it here on the side. 162 minus 15. 12 minus 15 is 7. 5 minus 1 is 4. 1, 47. That's 14. And then the last one is 5 times 9 minus 1/3 times 9. 9 can be written as 9 over 1. So 5 times 9 is 45. Then minus 3. These cancel out by 3. So this is 3. So this is 42 is the answer, 42. And that was a review for mastery problems. And next is challenge practice. So in exercises 1 and 2, insert grouping symbols in the expression 4 plus 7 times 3 squared minus 2 plus 5 times 6 so that the value of the expression is A. So there is no really an easy answer. You just have to play around with it, try different combinations of parentheses. I did that on the side, and the correct answer is so it's basically this 4 plus. So let me write it here. Let's see if I get 4 plus 7 times 3 squared minus 2 plus 5 times 6. And the solution to get to 25 is like this. And then 2 plus 5. Like this. So let's confirm. And then, so 4 plus 7 times 3 times 3 is 9. Minus 2 plus 5 is 7 times 6. And this is 4 plus 7 times 9 is 63. And then minus 6 times 7 is 42. And 4 plus 63 is 67. So 67 minus 42, which is 25. And you get that. So this is one set of parentheses here, and then another set of parentheses here. And then how did I know that? I didn't. So you just have to play around with it. You see there's 83 here and then 25. So 25 is much lower or less than 83. So you're trying to minimize the number. So you're trying to group the negative part so that when it multiplies, you get a bigger negative number so that it becomes less. Okay, so for 83, there is one parenthesis. So let me see, it's this 4 plus 7 times 3 squared minus 2 plus 5 times 6. And the parenthesis is 3 squared minus 2, so it's right here. All right, so let's try it. So 4 plus 7 times 3 squared is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. And then you have plus 5 times 6. This becomes 4 plus 7 times 7 is 49. Plus 5 times 6 is 30. So 49 and 30 is 79 and 4, 83. So that's how we get 83. And why is this the case? We're trying to get a bigger number here, right? So we're trying to get the -2, so that right here, so that we get a positive number. Yeah, so I wish there was an easier answer, but you just have to play around with the parentheses and try a few different things. I don't think you're going to get this in on a quiz or on a test or on a college entrance exam, because it just takes some time to answer these types of questions. So, all right, number 3. So this is the 24 divided by 3 plus 9 minus 4 times 6 plus 10. Insert grouping symbols in this expression so that the value of the expression is the minimum value. So this is similar to 1 and 2. I did some combinations here, and this is the one that works. And let's try it. So 24 divided by 3 plus 9 is 12. Minus 4 times 6 plus 10 is 16. 24 divided by 12 is 2. And then minus 4 times 16 is 64. So minus 62 is what you get. So the minimum value is minus 62. That's for A. And then why are the parentheses here? You're trying to get the maximum negative number. So when you're multiplying -4 times, you don't want to just multiply it by 6, you want to multiply it by 16. So that's why you have this parenthesis here. And then we're trying to get the minimum value, right? So when you're dividing, you don't want to divide by 3, you want to divide by 12, so that you get a lower number in a way. So this is A. B. Let's do the same thing again. Divide by 3 plus 9 minus 4 times 6 plus 10. All right, so now we're trying to get the maximum value. Okay, so this right here, and right here. So 24 divided by 3 is 8. 9 minus 4 is 5. 6 plus 10 is 16. So we're going to get 8. 8 plus 5 times 16 is 80. So we get, oh, sorry. Let's see. Okay. So basically, you want to get 13 times 16. So it's basically, we have to use also straight brackets right here. So 8 plus 5, and then the straight brackets, and then 8 plus 5 is 13 times 16, and that's actually 160 and 48, 208. Okay, so straight parentheses, parentheses, parentheses. We're trying to get the maximum value. So 24 divided by 3 gives us a bigger number than 9 minus 4. And then you want to multiply by 6 plus 10. And then you want to multiply the largest number by 16, not just 5 by 16. You want to do straight brackets here. And you want to do 8 plus 5 first, and then times 16 to get 208. So 208 is the maximum value. And again, I don't think you're going to get these on a quiz or on a test. All right, number 4 to 6 are you might get on a quiz or on a test. So number 4, let's do 4 here. That one. A type of tree doubles its diameter every 10 years. If the tree is currently 1 inch, in diameter, in how many years will the tree be 16 inches? Okay, so if it doubles from 1 inch, it becomes 2 inches, and it doubles in every 10 years. So 10 years pass by, now it's 2 inches, and then from 2 inches doubles to 4 inches in another 10 years, and then from 4 inches doubles to 8 inches in another 10 years. Okay, so from 4 inches doubles to 8 inches. So this is inches here. So it doubles every 10 years. So it doubles every 10 years. And then from 8 inches, it doubles to 16 inches in another 10 years. So the question was, in how many years will the tree be 16 inches? It will be in 10, 20, 30, 40, in 40 years. Okay. Number 5. Due to improvements in design and manufacturing, the speed of a new computer doubles every 1.5 years. In how many years from now will computers be approximately 1,000 times faster than they are now? So doubles. So the speed doubles from 1 becomes 2 in 1.5 years, and then from 2 to 4, and then from 4 to 8, and then from 8 to 16, then 16 to 32, and then 32 to 64, and then 64 to 128, and then 128 to 256, 256 to 512, and then 512 to 1024. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 times 1.5 years, or that is 15 years. So in 15 years. Okay, so this is 1.5 years times 10, or that is 15 years. So this can also be written as 2 to the x equals 10,024, or 1,000, or close to 1,000, I would say. X is 10, so 10 times it needs doubling. So 10 times 1.5 years is 15, and then here number 4, it can be written as 2 to the x is 16, or x is 4. So 4 times 10 is 40. All right, number 6. Due to improvements in manufacturing, the cost of a model of computer decreases by half every 1.5 years. How many years will it take before a $2,000 computer decreases in price to $250? So from $200, the price decreases by half, so it becomes 1,000 every 1.5 years. So every 1.5 years, and then from 1,000 comes down to 500, and then 500 comes down to 50. So this is 1.5 years, then 1.5 years. So 1.5 years, 1.5 years. So 4.5 years altogether. Okay. So that's all for today. Please like and subscribe to see more videos, and see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.